Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is Mutton Afghani Fry. When we want to make something new, this Mutton Afghani Fry can be your perfect choice. The combination of spices used in this Mutton Afghani Fry makes it a surprising delicacy for all mutton lovers. All the ingredients are listed here and also in the description box. And if you're new on my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe and do like, comment and share. So let's get started. To a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil, now add mutton. I have taken 1 kg of mutton along with fat. Now we are going to cook the mutton till the color of the mutton changes. You can see the color of the mutton has changed now. To this add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything. We are going to saute the mutton well along with the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Now add half glass of water. Cover this with the lid and pressure cook for about 10 minutes, that is 6 to 7 whistles. And now after 10 minutes, you can see that our mutton is well cooked now. Now transfer it to a pan so that it will be easy for us to fry. Now let's add our spices. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, add the spices in, and salt if needed, half cup of fried onions, now mix well. We are going to fry the mutton on high flame. Now add quarter cup of yogurt, again mix this. Cook the mutton along with the yogurt for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add 3/4 cups of tomato puree. Now cook this for another 6 to 8 minutes on high flame. As we are frying the mutton on high flame, keep stirring it every now and then. Now we'll cook this till the oil separates. And then add 1 teaspoon of roasted and crushed coriander seeds. Now give this a good mix. And now cover this and cook on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the oil has separated and our mutton has roasted well. And our last ingredient is fenugreek leaves, that is Kasuri Methi. Just give this a mix. And it's all done. Our mutton Afghani fry looks absolutely delicious. And now it's ready to be served. The best part about this recipe is that it can be cooked without any pre-preparations. This mutton Afghani fry looks yum and so tempting. So what are you waiting for? Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, then do give this recipe a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you're new on my channel, then I request you to kindly subscribe. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. And thank you for all the love and support. Happy cooking!